Hey everyone, in this video I am going to give you a review on IScanner. It has some advantages and disadvantages as well. So first of all, we will talk about comprehensive features like scanning document, ID cards and passports with AI powered tools that detects borders, correct distortions and enhance color as well. So this is one of the best feature you can say on iScanner. And the second is support multiple format like PDB, JPG, and text and docs and so on for so forth. Now the third feature is to include optical character recognition (OCR). It means it it has 20 languages for text extractions, offering additional tools for solving math problem, measuring areas, and counting object as well. So this is one of the comprehensive features you can use in iScanner. But if you are talking about easy of use, you can just minimal setup required. User can scan document quickly with automatic adjustments. Intuitive interface allows for easy editing, adding signature, reducing sensitivity information, and sharing documents via cloud service like Google Drive and Dropbox. Now, third is security. Confidential files can be locked within a pin like with a pin. Now documents can be saved locally instead of syncing on to the cloud for added privacy. Now versatility, useful for students and educators and small business professionals and freelancer for tasks like signing contracts or digitalizing study materials. Now the fifth, recognition, highly rated on the App Store, like it has rated already 4.8% star with over 100 million downloads. Now, winner of the Webby Awards, People Voice and Best App category. Now, weaknesses of this website is the pricing. Some users find the app expensive compared to the built-in scanning feature on iOS device or other free alternatives. Now, some criticism is to a few users have reported negative experience online, including claims of scams. However, such claims are isolated and may not reflect the app overall performance. Now, this is overall review of iScanner. If you like this video, then subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.